In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about a futuristic Google Find Hub satellite tracking option that may just come out very soon for tracking lost or stolen Android smartphones that are even offline. Yes, you heard me correct. Tracking an offline Android device that is lost or stolen may just be possible very soon in the near future. Because Google is working on this feature through which it is going to include satellites to track a lost or stolen device, or maybe if you're trying to communicate or share your location with your friends and family members, if you're lost somewhere or if you're out of network coverage area, you could actually share your location through satellites. So this is a big news for all Android users, and the exact way how this is going to work is that it is not going to give you the exact location for the phone when your phone is misplaced or stolen, or if you're trying to share a location with somebody else. But how the tracking is probably going to work with satellites is that Find Hub is going to pinpoint the location every 15 minutes. It's not going to give you that exact location, but it's going to give you an approximate location close by so that you could, get there and get back your device. Or if you're trying to share your location, if you're in a no network coverage area, it is going to pinpoint your phone's location every 15 minutes to the person you're wanting to send your location to. Now, if this feature actually is released with Find Hub, then it is going to be very useful for you if you are in a location, maybe it's a remote area and you're not getting your network and you want to share your location with your friends and family members. It is going to be super useful. So what I would suggest is that right now itself, you go ahead and set up offline tracking on your Android device so that if this feature actually comes out in the near future, your device is actually going to be traceable if it is lost or stolen. And let me show you how to set up offline tracking right now in the video itself on your Android device. So get hold of your Android phone and get to settings directly. Once you do that, I want you to go ahead and do a search for Find Hub. Okay. Get to this page. Here, you are going to see an option, Find Your Offline Devices. Click on that option and ensure that the last option is checked with network in all areas. You may just see the option off on your phone or select it to with network in high traffic areas only. If you see any one of these options on, just ignore it and you scroll down and select the last option with network in all areas. Okay, just select that and you are absolutely set. I hope Google actually takes action and does this thing for all of us so that we are 100% secure with our Android devices. Let's hope for the best. If it happens, well and good. If it doesn't, I'm sure this was a theory according to reliable sources online, but let's hope for the best. If you have any questions or doubts, I want you to post a comment in the comment section below, or you could also send me an email. I will do my best to help you with anything related to the topic for today. Take care, my friend.